Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change language on your Phantom Wallet mobile application. To change your language on Phantom Wallet app, first of all open up the Phantom application on your mobile device. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on the account drop-down located at the top left corner. From the Your Accounts option, click on the gear button at the top right. This will bring up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on Preferences. Under Preferences, tap on Display Language. Select a different language from the menu that you want to change to. Right after you do that, your language setting will be changed for Phantom Wallet app. You can get back to the same location and change to a different language of your choice anytime you want. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If you think it was, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.